Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to my online class. How are you? I hope you all are safe and sound by the grace of God, living with your parents at home. This is me. I'm Muhammad Iqbal, Assistant Teacher English, Bandorban Cantonment Public School and College. Today, I have designed a class for the students of Class A English first paper. My dear students, look at the pictures and see what they are. Surely the fastest plane ever built by human beings. So our today's topic is Future Aircraft Unit 9, Lesson 5. Learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to ask and answer questions, read and understand text materials, write a short paragraph. My dear students, let's read the text. The Falcon Hypersonic Technology Vehicles 2 is the fastest plane ever built by human beings. It would fly from London to Sydney in less than an hour. Supersonic Concorde, by the way, could not fly at just a great speed. At the same time, it would withstand temperature of almost 2000 degrees Celsius. This temperature is hotter than the melting point of steel. The US Defense Agency will launch the Falcon HTV-2. First, they will set it on the back of a rocket. Then they will launch both into the space from an Air Force base. The plane goes like this. Engineers will launch the Falcon HTV-2 into the space on the back of a rocket. Then they will detach the plane from the rocket. The plane Falcon will fly towards the Earth. Engineers will guide and monitor it in its flight. The plane would fly at a hypersonic speed of 13,000 mph. This speed is about 20 times the speed of sound. The Falcon was born in 2003. It was born as part of a US military project. The project researched and built a special type of plane. The researcher wanted that the plane could reach any part of the world in less than an hour. They also wanted to see use it for any purposes, military or civil. The plane was already tested in computer models. The Falcon hypersonic technology vehicles too would be mankind's dream aircraft in the days to come. But dear students, now we will introduce to some of the new words. Look at here carefully. Withstand means survive or tolerate. Space means area, place, distance. No one can cross the space of the sky. Bay means sea or launch, takeoff or departure. Display, show or appearance. You see the picture also. Hypersonic means high speed or fastest. Recharge, investigate or explore. Melting, liquefying or dissolving. Characteristics of hypersonic technology vehicle 2. Mankind's dreams aircraft in future, the fastest plane ever built. The London to Sydney in less than 1 hour, it can go. Withstand temperature 2000 degrees Celsius. This temperature is hotter than 20 degrees Celsius. Steel melting temperature 2000 degrees Celsius. This is about HTB2. It was born in 2003. It was a part of US military project. Its target is to reach any part of the world in less than 1 hour. Its aim is to use any purpose like civil or army. It is already tested in computer model. Many students, US Defense Agency will launch the Falcon HTB2, but how? First, they will set it on the back of a rocket like the picture above. Then they will launch both into the space from an Air Force base. The engineers will detach the plane from the rocket. All this will be guided and monitored by the engineers in its flights. The plane would fly in hypersonic speeds of 13,000 mph. This speed is about 20 times the speed of sound. My dear students, here are some MCQ that have been done for you. What does the word withstand mean in the passage? It means tolerate. They will launch both into the space from an Air Force base. Here, launch means start. What does the word detach mean in the passage? It means remove, separate, cut off. That means you need to choose all of them. What does the word recharge mean in the passage? It means explore. The speed of falcon is about 20 times the speed of sound. In the passage, what does supersonic refers to? It refers to greater than the speed of sound. The HTB is supposed to be used for both civil and military. So we need to use the option C, both A and B. When was the Falcon born? These three MCQ that you need to do by yourself. When was the Falcon born? In 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005. The Falcon HTB2 is than any other plane. It will be faster than any other plane. Who would launch the Falcon HTB2? The US Defense Agency. And in number 8, the answer will be in 2003. My dear students, here is some question and answer for you here. What is HTB2? The full form of HTB2 is Hypersonic Technology Vehicles 2. It is the fastest plane ever built by human beings. Who will launch the Falcon HTB2? The US Defense Agency will launch the Falcon HTB2. Remaining questions. How will the engineers operate the flight of the Falcon HTB2? In order to operate the flight of the Falcon HTB2, the engineers will first launch the HTB2 into the space on the back of a rocket, and then they will detach the plane from the rocket. The plane will fly towards the Earth, and the engineers will guide and monitor it in its flights. The last question, make a comparison between the speeds of Concorde and the HTB-2. The Concorde flew at supersonic speed, which is faster than sound. On the other hand, the HTB-2 would fly in hypersonic speed, which is about 20 times the speed of sound. My dear students, here are some homeworks and that are writing question answer. First question is, what was the purpose of building the plane? Number two, why will the Falcon HTB-2 be mankind's dream aircraft? Number three, what is the withstand temperature of Falcon HTB-2? Number four, what is the researcher's expectation about HTB-2? I think you can do it if you understand the passage fully. My dear students, I have come to the end of my class. I hope I have made you understand the passage fully. Please talk to me if you feel or face any problem regarding the passage. And I do request you not to go out of your house if it is not very necessary, as the situation is very adverse to you. Thank you. Thank you for patient hearing.